Hello, I'm Eric, a high schooler participating in the 404 Found Code Hackathon. I will be presenting on my project Evolition, a cross between the words evolve and volition, meaning for a person to grow through their own free will. Evolition is a full-stack web application that seeks to make the process of achieving productivity gratifying through adaptive measures done by AI. Evolition helps the user track their progress through the learning of new skills and also helps you create a roadmap for the user to follow. Before I get into the technical information and functionality of Evolition, I believe that's important for you to understand why I chose to create Evolition as a program in the first place. When the hackathon first started, we were given the prompt, develop a digital solution that reimagines everyday interactions with technology. As a student in my junior year of high school, when I initially saw this prompt, the first thought that came into my mind was how to deal with procrastination. Procrastination is a very major problem for me and other high schoolers alike, in that instead of wanting to do homework, we instead want to scroll on social media or play games. As I began to dive deeper and deeper into how to solve the issue of procrastination, I realized that the root problem was dealing with instant gratification. In order to fully address the issue of procrastination, I decided to try and make the process of learning as instantly gratifying as procrastinating is. It's easy to scroll through social media or watch a movie because the rewards are immediate, but when it comes to productive tasks, the benefits often feel distant. That's why I decided to introduce a level and experience system into a traditional to-do list app. By earning points and leveling up for completing tasks, Evolition brings that same sense of instant reward to achieving goals and productivity. Every small win is celebrated, and that reinforces the user's progress in learning new skills. In order to build Evolition with real-time updates, I used React and a context provider at the top level of the DOM that would provide pages with user information. This context provider ensured that there is smooth state management and that the user experience would be seamless, as there would be no delay when swapping between pages. In addition, API calls and global event triggers kept everything in sync. Use memo and use callback were also used in order to cache data. On the backend, I used Node.js, Express, and Prisma ORM with PostgreSQL for data management. This was all written in TypeScript to ensure production level code. A key part of the roadmap was integrating machine learning using ChatGPT's API. By aggregating previous skills and tasks, Evolition predicted growth patterns and offered personalized insights to users that would allow them to grow further. In addition, synonym clusters refined skill recognition and ensured that tasks provided the appropriate skills with experience, allowing the user to fully materialize their growth. So here we have the homepage, and from the homepage, we can go to both the login page and the sign up page. As I already created an account earlier, I will be logging in directly. Here we have the dashboard of Evolition, where the user finds the majority of the content that they will need. So as we can see, there's an upcoming work section where the user can find their tasks, and then we have a skills section where users can see their skill levels. When a user wants to complete a task, they can check off the task directly through upcoming work, and as you can see, the experience level of the user also changes in order to match the task that was just checked off. From the dashboard, we can also go to the task page and the skills page that each have their own section of content that can also be found on the home page of the dashboard. We can see that if we check off a task in the tasks page, it will also be checked off in the dashboard page, and we can also uncheck it off afterwards if we misclicked it. From the tasks page, we can also create a new task through this button and this form. So for example, if we wanted to create a task, work out for 1 hour, we can simply create it, and then we'll have the task here. In addition, on the skills page, we can essentially generate the user's skills that would progress them through their skills. The user can choose to accept these tasks or generate new ones through repressing the button. After a user accepts a task, the task will start to appear in their tasks list or on the dashboard homepage, and from either page, the user can check them off and instantly see their experience and level go up.